It's time for some daily dose. We're gonna watch the funniest animal
These are the
videos
funniest animal videos
ever.
ever.
It's unreleased? Really? Huh. What we got? What's in the box? Oh, it's a little bird. Jeebus.
Mr. Krabs!
Oh yeah.
He looks so cute!
Woo.
Oh my god!
Ugh. Oh god.
Why are you still here? Go away!
Scheduled for another 2025. Okay. They're having trouble securing a distributor. Really? Wow. Wow. Oh, well, there goes the bird.
Wilson just coughed and farted.
I need an egg. Thank you.
Man, people with eggs nowadays, huh? They're saying it's not safe enough to market. It's the Toxic Avenger. Did you ever watch the original Toxic Avenger? The original Toxic Avenger was not very safe either. It was pretty out there and effed up. So that sounds like a good thing to me. What the hell? Yep. Is that a little duck? Little duck. I think that's a little duck. Are they playing Repo?
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia. Venga, gracias.
Qué bueno, tío. Ole.
August. Okay, we'll see. What the frick? Was that hold on. Was that a little freaking Vienna sausage? Yep, that was a little Vienna sausage. Yep. What the frick is this thing? What the frick is this fish? That's a big freaking fish.
Oh my god.
He's eating my car. Maybe there's something dead on it.
Yeah. A sandwich face.
This sheep
Sandwich
was stuck
face.
in a trench and got rescued.
Performing in front of the. Yes, I heard about that. That's freaking. Look, that to me that's very freaking impressive. Like, damn. Oh. The freaking sheep went right back in. God dang it.
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now.
Ew, oh god. Point, 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 point.
This poor little hedgehog deflated.
The
These
hell?
girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use
There's a
some
video
help.
on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Oh
This
god.
person tried picking up a frog.
It's a frog. Pick him up. Worst thing they're gonna do is pee on you. Like that. What? What the frick? Oh, wait.
Go, Saskia.
Meh.
Meh.
Meh. What? You were asking for the freaking sheep to respond. It responded. Why are you freaking out? It's a bird. Yep.
Hey, you almost done?
They're having time of their life. Let them relax. Oh my god.
It's Horace. Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no.
He's trying. Oh yeah, this one. Ring out.
This streamer was trying to
Oh,
sneak
yeah.
up on this deer without scaring it.
Like, hello there.
A zoo installed a new security camera, and it scared the snow leopard.
Dude, I freaking think snow leopards are so they're kind of freaking cute. Like, look at this. Look at this. Oh.
He's like, oh, there's a turn on.
No. What up?
Oh, I see how it is. Rude.
So this is really interesting, and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah, see?
Oh. No.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro?
He
That's
wants the
sick.
He wants the
Put it
coat.
on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it
Nah! Nah!
Oh, okay. Here they come.
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right?
No boys, huh?
Especially not this one.
Well. Ooh. No, no. When the chicken nugget wants you to eat it. And
He
Brother,
had a fire to warm up
may
his
I have
horses that
some
were in the field.
oats?
no.
I am starving, brother.
And this one might have got a little close.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
Hey man, they're just trying to get swole.
This girl
trying to get
was
swole.
upset that their stick got stuck.
Oh no!
You cannot tell me. That all of them were given. All the other frogs are giving this one the evil eye. Whoa! Well,
MashaAllah.
Yeah.
the frick?
Are you kidding me?
Ah,
Poor
but
guy got so
who's?
upset.
Oh no. Look him go! Or not go. He's trying.
Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
I'm not
Yeah.
sure if this cat is really brave or really dumb. This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh!
They will. Look, he just has to.
No! No, it's a frickin' no. Oh! Hello.
Hey! Where are you going?
This cat
It's
was
one
chasing
way.
a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Taco?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse?
Then grab the mouse by the tail.
I'm trying to. Not good.
Yeah, but the cat is like, what? What are
I
you trying
guess
to
you
do?
never know when squirrels might attack.
Squirrel? Oh! Effort.
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces. This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Oh, fine then.
Did I say something?
Yeah, you did. You called him ugly. He don't want your food no more. What the? That's a freaking cow.
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
That baby has the zoomies.
So what
I mean,
do you think
it
he's
is a
thinking
baby.
about?
You know, just monkey things.
I think we found out who the main character is. She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
It was being all sneaky going in for that bite.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Oh, ow. Okay, well. Seems okay. That is a fluffy... Was it a cow? I don't know.
This groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera.
I gotta wonder, I really wonder why. I mean, it can't know that that's a security camera. Why the frick is it eating it in front of there? But at the same time, it's hilarious to think that that it knows. And it's just like...
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly.
And just doing it as a middle finger. A middle finger to the farmer.
I think this fish is broken. Sometimes an octopus will try...
Are those real eyes or are those the fake? They don't look real. They look like they're added on, but I've seen goofy fish like this before, but they look fake.
Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
So you're saying the octopus is being an a-hole. That's all. The hell?
Oh my god.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead.
And the Oscar goes to...
For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail.
Whoa, got dizzy. Oh,
I
dizzy.
have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay. They don't want your banana.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife.
Wait, where? What the frick?
Why is this capybara so small?
What? He's small. Don't. Don't shame him for being small.
This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
Oh, yeah. We saw, yeah.
And the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Yeah. Yeah. I saw this one here. This poor eagle just gets abused by its mate, bringing in sticks. There's like a whole video. There's a whole freaking long video of this poor eagle getting abused by the other one, bringing in sticks. It's trying to get a ride, man. Trying to get a ride.
Apertura.
Look at him go.
Ma che bravissimo!
Whee!
He's done with asking and has started demanding. This guy found a really round bear.
That is a big bear.
Oh my god, the Gina bear.
So chunky.
That is, yeah, that's a chunky bear.
This duck loves getting kisses.
Well, don't kiss him so hard you freaking bonk him. What the heck? Oh, no.
It's not
He's gonna eat, he's eating your hair. Yeah.
back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo? This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
No. No. It likes where it is.
I can't
It's
tell
happy.
which bird is more angry.
It's happy with where it is. Hey, buddy.
This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work.
He's trying his best, okay? He's trying his
This
best.
fish somehow found a pacifier. This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Hey, Dreamer pooped.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh man.
Yep.
You poop? Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
It's gonna kick you. Yeah.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't.
What the frick? No, we're back. I think we're okay. Freaking OBS lost for a split second there. That was weird. I don't know how much it just went off, so I don't think we lost anything really, but we'll
And
see.
hold on.
Welcome back, everybody. Refresh. Whee! Dude, that squirrel is trying. Like what? Horse is like, what? Oh. Yeah. Dude, I've felt this. I've had this happen more than once. You're just chilling. You're just laying in bed, half asleep or mostly asleep, and then suddenly, bam. What the? What? What's going on?
This
with that?
penguin wasn't having a very good day after falling in some mud.
That poor bird.
This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
Like, okay, I'll go.
They couldn't figure out why their car wasn't starting.
It's not a trash can.
Just like that, Cash. Oh my god. Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
Oh yeah. And check out the cake.
I'm trying to go to sleep or take a nap, and he's just.
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible.
Look, I love birds. I do. But,
So
you
why
know,
is he
they
sitting
can
like
be
this?
much. Just relaxing. You know, just chilling by the sea, by the
This
by the
lion was
ocean.
chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
He's contemplating life. Oh damn.
Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
Worship me, pitiful land creatures. Worship me. Oh, he's getting a good scratch in there.
He really decided that violence was the only option.
Oh god. Oh my.
Pigeon Tower.
Pigeon Tower.
This deer loves eating bananas.
Eh?
These
Bananas
two
are
fish
good.
really don't like each other.
What the hell? What the heck?
is going on here?
Bruh.
Oh, what? What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better? Now let's see.
Goddamn.
Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
Ooh, ow. Oh, little baby goat. Little baby goat. It's so cute. Ew.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Yeah, they're going through all the good all the good animal videos. No. Get him. Attack. Attack, frog. There you go. Whee!
That is the end of this video, I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later! That was good. I love the animal videos.